In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Proforma Invoice estimate in Zoho Books. Proforma invoices are a great tool for providing your clients with a detailed estimate of upcoming goods or services. They're not only professional, but also essential for businesses that want to streamline their financial communications. To begin, navigate to Zoho Books by entering the URL in your web browser and logging into your account. Once you've accessed your dashboard, the first thing you'll want to do is locate the Sales option in the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Click on Sales, and this will open a submenu where you need to select Quotes. When you're in the Quotes section, you'll see a New button, usually positioned on the top right corner of the screen. Clicking this button will initiate the process to create a new quote. At this point, you'll be prompted to choose a customer. Zoho Books provides a drop-down menu listing your existing customers for ease of use. If your client is not listed, you can easily add a new customer directly within this section. Next, set the quote date, which reflects when you're issuing this Proforma invoice. It's wise to use the current date to avoid any confusion later. Following this, select the expiry date. The expiry date indicates until when this estimate's pricing will remain valid. Setting an expiry date is crucial as it provides a timeline for negotiations or order confirmations from your clients. Designate a salesperson for the transaction. This is especially useful if your business has multiple sales representatives, as tracking who is handling each transaction may help manage workloads and performance. As you move forward, you'll arrive at the item table, a crucial component of your Proforma invoice. Here you can list the products or services you intend to provide. You can specify quantities, unit prices, descriptions, and whatever else is relevant for your estimate. It's advisable to be as detailed as possible in this section to give your client a comprehensive understanding of the potential transaction. Finally, once you have double-checked all the information for accuracy and completeness, click on the Save and Send button. Zoho Books will enable you to send the Proforma invoice directly to your customer via email. This feature is not only convenient, but also ensures faster and more reliable communication. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully created a Proforma invoice estimate using Zoho Books. This swift and efficient process not only helps in maintaining organized records, but also enhances overall business operations by providing clear and concise estimates to your clients. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful for your business needs. Stay tuned for more insightful guides about using Zoho Books efficiently.